GPS you detect.
कुठल्या कंपनीचं आहे?
This is GlobalSat.
This is global.
GlobalSat BT359 म्हणून मॉडेल आहे.
Okay.
It's a Bluetooth GPS with Sirf 3 version 2 chipset.
Okay, sir.
That,
So it's a Surf GPS silicon and Bluetooth. And this will talk to this guy over here.
this guy, yeah. What I basically do is go to the Bluetooth configuration of this. This is the Bluetooth option which is I made on. And in the configuration settings, I just enable detection, auto detection. It detects my device as BT GPS 336001, and it will create a port COM6 serial communication. And what I do is I open my Android, which is iGuidance 3.0.
So you got this along with the GPS.
Yeah, it's a package deal, combination of both.
And you loaded it onto your Pocket PC.
Pocket PC.
Okay.
This is the 2 GB mini SD card.
Okay. It stores how big is the map database?
It's close to, including Canada, Hawaii, and all US. It's close to 2 GB.
Okay. Oh wow. So it's so you need a minimum of 2 gig.
You
SSD.
can load selective maps, but then every time you move around, suppose you go to a particular state, because area-wise, state-wise, you can download maps.
Okay.
And then what you get here is your current location. So you can basically zoom in, zoom out.
So that's it. It has started talking to your GPS.
Yeah, it's
receiver.
already mapped our position here. So this is the map of the surrounding area. So we are basically close to Highway 5. This is the 5 highway, close to that. And these icons are actually point of interest. So if you click this, it will show you Sacramento Zoo.
Okay, and now how would
and the telephone number and all.
You said you can also, there is also a way you can click on a link and get to the details.
Yeah, what you do here is if you go point of interest.
So let's say I want to find a local restaurant and if possible a link to a local restaurant.
Okay, so this is the recreation or restaurant link.
Okay.
Here it asks me which type of restaurant I want: African, American,
Let's
Australian.
say I want,
So if I want say
something.
Indian, for
Yeah.
example, so it will ask within alphabetically 25 miles or by distance. If distance, so it will show the closest one from here is 1.6 mile, which
Okay.
is Kathmandu Kitchen.
Okay.
Then
Now
Mother
you-
India buffet and all. So
Now you
here
click
I can click this. So it gives me an address and telephone number of
Okay.
that place. And
So if they had a website.
yeah, and that's, I'll show you that software as well.
Okay.
Because this is not part of the navigation software. And here once I select a destination, for example this, I can either so it will show me the location of that, or otherwise I can basically say that for example, let me again choose that. So I'll just pick up any one. So I'll say navigation. So what it does is it will compute the shortest path and give you voice commands. Now here what you can do is you can actually see all the turns that it basically gives you.
Right. This is the
and the final target.
okay.
And couple of things is you can display the same map in 3D if you want.
That's all part of the map software, right?
Yeah, this is all part of it. So
Okay.
it gives a view of 3D.
What we want to find out is how do you
Yeah. Now what I'll do is I'll connect.
so did you have to write a separate API to
No, this is
for the internet thing to get this thing.
you can write, but most of the software provides this.
Okay.
Most of the navigation software nowadays have.
Link to the internet.
Yeah.
So he has an eVideo phone here.
Yeah. Now what
So
I've
you have
done is I
data
connected to internet,
Connectivity.
and this is a Virtual Earth application. Again, this is a free download.
From Microsoft website.
Microsoft website.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I'll do here is
So he's
search nearby. You can basically now I'll just type in zoo. because I've already selected Sacramento as my location. So
Oh, but did you have to do it manually?
no, it talks to this GPS.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay.
So here it will show me zoo related stuff. This is
Okay.
now from the servers by Microsoft. So all this data is coming from internet.
Okay, okay.
Nothing
okay.
local.
From your eVideo
Yeah,
network.
yeah, yeah. Now
So
here,
he has a Bluetooth, GPS, and eVideo. So it's
eVideo.
data connection as well as GPS.
yeah, the first application uses map data from here.
Correct.
This one actually pulls data
This
from
is pulling
internet.
data from the server.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can basically do a direction search and routing. So it will basically make call to the server and give you the directions.
Oh, okay. And can it link me to the website of the hotel?
Yeah. That's also, I'll show you a couple of things. These are like category-wise distribution of point of interest.
Points of interest relative to the location we are currently.
Yes.
Okay.
So, for example, let's say pizza. Search that.
He's trying to see if he can show us a link.
Yeah.
From
Yes,
the-
what happens is this is like similar to this telephone link.
Uh-huh.
If
Oh,
I
you have
click
a
here,
web.
Yeah, you have web. Now it will make me
Oh, it's
give-
making a call.
call.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can make a call directly.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will show you the website.
Okay. If it had a website, it would show you a website
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
And this is an application that Microsoft provides.
yeah. It's a
Okay.
free application.
Okay.
Even the API is made available free. So if you want to integrate that in your application, that can be done.
Cool. Thanks, Kunal.
My pleasure.